Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is ISRO Part 3. MOM was placed into Mars orbit on 24 September 2014. The spacecraft had a launch mass of 1337 kg, 2948 IB with 15 kg, 33 IB, 5 scientific instrument as payload. National Space Society awards the Mars Orbiter Mission Team 2015 Mars Pioneer awarded the Science and Engineering the category of Solar Probes Aditya L1. On 2 September 2023, ISRO launched 400 kg 808 IB Aditya L1 mission to study solar corona, first Indian space-based solar coronagraph and study corona is visible and near infrared band of main objective of the mission of study coronal mass ejection CME properties of consequently constrained parameter of affect space weather. Future project ISRO developing the operationalizing more powerful and less polluted rocket engine so that can eventually develop much heavier rocket. It plans to develop electric and nuclear propulsion satellite and spacecraft, reduce and weight, extend the service lifelong to plan may include crewed landing, moon and other planet as well as engine and launch vehicles. Semi-cryogenic engine SCE 200 rocket grade kerosene ISRO SENE and liquid oxygen LOX based semi-cryogenic rocket engine inspired by RD-120 engine will be polluting and more powerful when combined with the LVM-3 will boost payload capacity. It will be clustered future to power India heavy rockets. Reusable methane and LOX based engine are under the development. Methane is less polluted, levels no residues and hence engine needs very little refurbishment, and the LPSC began cold flow test engine prototypes in 2020. Modular heavy rockets ISRO studying heavy HLV super heavy lift launch vehicle SHLV modular launches are being designed by interchangeable parts of reduced production time 10 ton 11 short ton 9.88 long term capacity HLV and SHLV capable delivering 50 to 100 tons, 55 to 110 short tons, 49 to 98 long ton into orbit have been mentioned statement and presentation of from ISRO. The agency intends develop launcher 2020 which can carry nearly 16 T, 18 short ton, 16 long tons geostationary transfer orbit, nearly 4 times capacity of existing LVM-3 rocket family, 5 medium heavy lift class modular rocket described next generation launch vehicle or NGLV initially planned unified modular launch vehicle are being planned which will share parts and will be replace ISRO existing PSLV, GSLV and LVM-3 rocket completely. Rocket family will be powered by SCE 200 cryogenic engine and will be have capacity of lifting from 4.9 T, 5.4 short ton, 4.8 long ton, 16 T, 18 short tons, 16 long ton geostationary transfer orbit. Reusable launch vehicles. There have been 2 reusable launcher projects ongoing ISRO. One is ADMIRE test vehicle conceived as VTML system and another RLV-TD program being run to develop autonomous spacecraft which will be launched vertically but land like a plane. To realize fully reusable two-stage orbit TSTO launch vehicle series technology demonstration mission have been conceived for the purpose of winged reusable launch vehicle technology demonstrator RLVD TD have been configured the RLDV flying test bed to evaluate various technology in the hypergenic flight, autonomous landing of powered by cruise flight, hypersonic flight using air breathing propulsion. First series demonstration trial was hypersonic flight experiment HEX. ISRO launched prototype test flight RLV-TD from Sriharikota spacecraft February 2016, weight around 1.5 T, 1.7 short ton, 1.5 long ton, flew up height of 70 km, 43 mi. Hexa was completed 5 months later. Scaled version good. So flyback booster stage of winged TSTO concept of Hex will be followed landing experiment legs of the return flight experiment REX. Spacecraft propulsion and power, electric thrusters. India has been working replacing conventional chemical propulsion Hall effect plasma thrusters which would make spacecraft lighter. GSAT-4 was first Indian spacecraft to carry electric thruster but failed to yearly orbit. GSAT-19 launched later 2017 had xenon-based electric propulsion system for orbit function spacecraft. GSAT-20 expected to first fully electric satellite from India. Alpha source thermoelectric propulsion technology, radioisotope thermoelectric generator RTG, also called alpha source thermoelectric technology. ISRO type atomic battery which uses nuclear decay heat from radioactive material to power spacecraft. In January 2021, UR Rao Satellite Center used expression interest of EY design development 100-watt RTG. RTG ensure much longer spacecraft life and have less mass than solar panel satellite. Developed RTG will allow ISRO to undertake long duration deep space mission to the outer planet. Extraterrestrial probes, lunar exploration mission LUPEX is planned. Robotics lunar mission concept by India ISRO and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency JAXA would send the lunar rover landed explore the South Pole region moon no earlier than 2026. JAXA like to provide under development H3 launch vehicle and rover will ISRO would be responsible for the lander. Mars exploration. Next Mars mission, Mars Orbiter Mission 2, Mangalyaan 2 have been proposed launch of 2024. New Year spacecraft will be significantly heavier, better equipped than predecessor will be only the orbiter Venus exploration. ISRO considering orbiter mission to Venus called Venus orbiter mission that could launch early 2023 study planet atmosphere. Some funds preliminary studies were allocated the 2017 to 18. The budget under the space science solicitation for potential instrument were requested to 2017-18 mission to Venus scheduled 2025 include payload instrument called Venus Infrared Atmospheric Gases Linker Viral which has been co-developed with the Laboratory of Atmospheres Milieu Observation Failure National Center Scientific Research CNRS of Roscosmos. Asteroids and outer solar system. Conceptual study of underway for spacecraft designed asteroids and Jupiter well as long-term ideal launch window to send spacecraft to Jupiter occurs every 33 months. Mission to Jupiter launched flyby Venus would be required development RTEG power meet allow agency further undertaker deeper space mission other outer planet special space telescope observator Astro Sat-2 successor of Astro mission XPO SAT X-ray polarimeter satellite XPO SAT is planned mission study polarization. It is planned to have mission 5-year and planned launch 2022 spacecraft planned to carry polarimeter instrument X-ray POLIX payload which will be study degree angle polarization bright astronomical X-ray source energy range of 5 to 30 keV X-Volt joint proposal by ISRO, IIST and University of Cambridge Space Telescope dedicated to atmospheric studies for exoplanets planned 2025. Forthcoming satellite. Upcoming launch facilities. Kulasegarapattinam Space Fort. Kulasegarapattinam Space Fort is a under development space fort. Thuthukudi district of Tamil Nadu. After completion would serve second launch facility. ISRO Space Fort will be mainly used ISRO launching small payloads. Applications. Telecommunication. It uses satellite telecommunication network, one of the largest in world. Applications such as land management, water resource management, natural disaster, forecasting, radio networking, weather forecasting, meteorological imaging, and computer communication, business administrative service, schemes such as National Informatics Center, NIC, direct beneficiaries applied satellite technology, military, integrated space cell under the Integrated Defense Staff Headquarters, Ministry of Defense has been set up to utilize more effectively country's space-based asset military purpose. Look to thread this asset. Command will leverage of space technology including satellite, unlike aerospace command where Air Force control activities of the integrated space cell envisages cooperation and coordination between three service civilian agencies dealing with space with 14 satellites including GSAT-7A for exclusive military use of rest dual use satellite. India has fourth largest number of satellite activities sky which is includes satellite exclusive of the Air Force of Navy GSAT-7A. Advanced military communication satellite bullet exclusively for Air Force similar Navy GSAT-7. GSAT-7A will be enhancing IAF network centric warfare capability for the interlinking different ground radar station, ground air bases, airborne early warning and control of AWACS aircraft such as Berif, A-50, Falcon and DRDO, AEW and CS. GSAT-7A will be also used Army Aviation Corps, helicopter and unnamed aerial vehicle UAV operation 2013. ISRO launched GSAT-7 for exclusive use of Navy monitor to Indian Ocean region IOR with a satellite 2000 nautical mile 3700 km 2300 mi footprint real-time input capability to Indian warship submarines and maritime aircraft boost network centric operation IAF. ISRO launched GSAT-7A December 2018 RISAT series of radar imaging and observation satellite also mean military. ISRO launched EMI SAT 1 April 2019. EMA SAT 436 kg 961 IB electronic intelligent ELINIT satellite will improve situational awareness in Indian armed forces by providing information of location hostile radars. Indian satellite and satellite launch vehicle have had military spin-off while India 150 to 200 km 93 to 124 mi range Prithvi missile not derived from the Indian space program. Intermediate range of Agni missile derived from Indian space program SLV-3. Earlier under the Sarabhai and Dhawan ISRO opposite military application. It is dual use of projects such as SLV-3 eventually Defense Research Development Organization DRDO based missile program borrowed staff and technology from ISRO. Missile scientist APJ Abdul Kalam, later elected president, who had headed SLV-3 project at ISRO, took over the missile program DRDO. About dozen of scientists accompanied by him, helping design Agni missile using SLV-3 solid fuel first stage and liquid fuel Prithvi missile derived second stage. IRS and INSAT satellite was primarily intended used civilian economic application. They also offered military spin-off. In 1996, Ministry of Defense temporarily blocked use of IRS-IC. Indian Environmental and Agriculture Minister ordered to monitor ballistic missile near India border. 1997, Air Force Air Power Doctrine aspired to use a space asset surveillance and battle management. Academic institution like Indira Gandhi National Open University and Indian Institute of Technology Satellite Education Application. Between 1975-76, India conducted largest sociological program using space technology, reaching 2,400 villages through video program. Local language aimed education development. ATS-6 technology developed. NASA this experiment named Satellite Instrument Television Experiment SITE conducted large-scale video broadcast resulting in significant improvement of rural education. Telemedicines. ISRO has applied technology for telemedicine directly connecting patient in rural area, medical professional, urban location satellite which is high quality healthcare not universally available some remote area in India patient those are available diagnosed and analyzed by doctor urban center real time via video conferencing the patient then revised medicine treatment treated by the staff and super specialty hospital instruction from those doctor mobile telemedicine vans are also deployed to visit the location in far-flung area provide diagnosis and support the patient. Biodiversity information system. ISRO have also helped implemented India biodiversity information system completed in October 2002. Nirubasan detailed the program based intensive field sampling and mapping using satellite remote sensing geospatial modeling tools. Map have been made vegetation cover the 1:250,000 scale. This have been together web enabled database that links gen level information, planet species, spatial information, biospec database, ecological hotspot region namely northeastern India, western Ghats, western Himalayan, Andaman and Nicobar Islands have been made possible collaboration between Department of Biotechnology and ISRO. Cartograph. The Indian IRS P5 cartograph was equipped high resolution panchromatic equipped enabled cartographic purpose. IRS B5 Carto SAT was followed by more advanced model named IRS P6 developed also agriculture application. Project equipped single camera that supported specific on-site images succeeded the project. Spin-off. ISRO research have been diverted into spin-off develop various technology for the other sector. Example, bionic limbs for people without limbs. Silica aerosol to keep Indian soldiers serving extremely cold area warm. Distress alert transmitter for the accident weather radar and various sensor machine inspection work in engineering industry. International cooperation. ISRO has signed various formal cooperative arrangement for either agreement memorandum understanding MOU framework agreement Afghanistan, Algeria, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bolivia, etc. Canada, Chile, China, Egypt, Finland, France, Germany, Hungary, Indonesia, Israel, Italy, Japan, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Maldives, Mauritius, Mexico, Mongolia, Morocco, Myanmar, Norway, Peru, Portugal, South Korea, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, Spain, Oman, Sweden, Syria, Tajikistan, Thailand, Netherlands, Tunisia, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, United States, Uzbekistan, Peninsula and Vietnam. Formal cooperative instrument like been signed international multinational body including European Center for Medium Range Weather Forecast ECMWF, European Communication, European Organization Exploitation of Meteorological Set EUMETSAT, European Space Agency ESA, South Asia Association of Regional Cooperation SAARC. Notable collaborative project Chandrayaan-1. Chandrayaan-1 also carried scientific payload of moon from NASA, ESA and Bulgarian Space Agency and other institution company North America and Europe. Indo-French satellite mission. ISRO have two collaborative satellite mission French CNES namely Study Water Cycle Tropical Atmosphere SARL Artillery. Third mission consisting Earth Observation Satellite Thermal Infrared Imager TRISHNA Thermal Infrared Imaging Satellite High Resolution Natural Resource Assessment being planned by two countries. LUPEX Lunar Polar Exploration Mission LUPEX is joint Indo-Japanese mission study for polar source moon where India tasked providing soft landing. NISAR Synthetic Aperture Radar is joint Indo-US radar project carrying L-band S-band radar, world's first radar imaging satellite dual frequencies. ISRO operated LUCT MCC under International COSPS SAR SAD program. Research and Rescue. India has established Center for Space Science Technology Education in Asia and Pacific, sponsored by United Nations. The member of International Committee Feasible Uses of Outer Space COSPAS, Sarath International Astronautical Federation, Committee on Space Research, Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee. Contributing planet BRICS virtual constellation remote sensing. Total number of foreign satellite launched by ISRO 417, 34 country. Spacecraft mission 116. Launch mission 86. Student satellite 13. Re-entry mission 2. Budget department space. Annual budget department space over the year. Graph are unavailable due to. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is